Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel D Creations Resources. Wir lernen Deutsch, we learn German. So you have been learning several new words in this series and also a little bit of grammar. So here you would see that today we are going to talk about sentence structure. So please note the sentence structure. So it's similar to English, like how subject, verb, object. For example, in English, you will have a sentence, I speak German, where I is the subject, speak is the verb, and German is the object here. And then in German also, you would say it in the same way. Ich spreche Deutsch. Now you are familiar with all the three words. Ich is subject, it's called Subjekt. Spreche is the verb. Deutsch is the object here. So now when you ask a question, it is going to change. So it is not like English. So let's see how the organization is different. So in English, how would you ask the question? Do you speak German? But in German, you ask it as Sprechen Sie Deutsch? Sprechen means speak. Sie, of course, you know it's a respectable form of you. Deutsch, German. So, speak you German, that is how it will be translated as. So, now it is different. So, the verb is coming in the beginning. So, you need to keep this in mind. Whenever you are questioning, the verb will come in the beginning. Right? Okay. Now, let's go to today's conversational skills. What we are going to do is we are going to learn 4 lines, and now since this is almost 9th episode and you've learned so many new things that every time I'll make sure that I ask one question in the end and you can write the answer in the comment section for that. So you have to write the German word for whatever English word is provided to you, right? Okay, let's start. Now today's lines have several words which you're familiar with. So first is einen Moment bitte. Now moment is same as English, moment. So and einen, now you're familiar with this. So one. And bitte, of course, you know it's please. So einen Moment bitte. One moment please. Einen Moment bitte. Einen Moment bitte. Then if you want to say yes please, ja bitte, or there's another word for that, gerne. Gerne also you can translate it as happily. So it basically conveys the meaning that yes please. Ja bitte, gerne. Ja bitte, gerne. And then if you want to say no please, simple, you must have guessed it. Bitte nein. No please. Bitte nein. Then if you want to leave from some place, for example, or if you're in a restaurant, you want to tell them that that's all, thank you. How would you say that? Das ist alles. Danke. Das ist alles. Danke. Das ist alles. Danke. And finally, when I end this episode, of course, I want to say bye. But you have to write the German word for bye in the comment section. So write that. So I'm not saying it aloud. You can say it in your mind. Okay? Bye.